I've heard this myth for as long as I've been around cars. The moment someone sees a turbo under the hood, they say the same thing. Well, that engine won't last. But is that really true? Let me tell you a few stories. Fact 1. The myth was born from real problems. There was a time when turbo engines really did die young. Back in the 90s and early 2000s, turbos were primitive, oils were weak, and people had no idea how to take care of them. I remember the old Mitsubishi 4G63 engines. If you pushed them hard and didn't let the engine cool down, the oil inside the turbo would literally cook into carbon. Volkswagen's early 1.8T engines, if you skipped a couple of oil changes, the turbo bearings were so fast it felt like the car was aging in dog years. Those early failures created a legend: turbo will short life. Fact 2. Modern turbo engines are built completely differently. But here's what most people don't know. Modern turbo engines are nothing like the old ones. Today's engines have smart cooling systems that keep circulating coolant even after the engine is turned off. The oils are better, the materials are stronger, the tolerances are tighter. I've seen Ford EcoBoost engines with almost 200,000 miles on the original turbo. I've serviced Hyundai and Kia 1.6 turbos that still ran perfectly at 150,000. No smoke, no shaft play, no drama. Fact 3. Turbos don't kill engines. Owners do. There are two kinds of turbo engines in the world. One dies early, one lasts forever. And surprisingly, they can be the exact same engine. I once serviced two Volkswagen GTIs on the same day. The first one had 60,000 miles and was already burning oil. The turbo was shot. The owner admitted he changed the oil twice in the car's entire life. The second GTI had over 200,000 miles. Same engine, same turbo model, but the owner changed the oil every 5,000 miles. The turbo still spun like new. So no, it's not the turbo that kills the engine, it's everything around it. Fact 4. Naturally aspirated engines fail too. People talk about NA engines as if they're immortal. But let's be honest, plenty of naturally aspirated engines have their own graves. Toyota's 2AZ FE drank oil like a teenager at a party. Subaru's EJ engines blew head gaskets like it was a sport. GM's 2.4 Ecotec could lose compression before a turbo engine even needed new spark plugs. Old school doesn't always mean reliable. Turbo doesn't always mean fragile. Fact 5. Yes, turbos add stress, but engineers design for it. Turbos do push more air and more heat into an engine. That part is true, but modern engines are built for it. Stronger pistons, better rings, improved bearings, more efficient cooling, tighter software control. A turbo engine today isn't a ticking time bomb. It's a normal engine with a boost of adrenaline. Do turbocharged engines wear out faster? Not anymore. Bad oil kills engines, neglect kills engines, overheating kills engines. But the turbo itself? It's just another tool. A modern turbo engine can live as long or even longer than a naturally aspirated one, as long as it's treated right. Turbo doesn't mean early death. Turbo means responsibility.